Yeah, all right, hold on. Stand by. Hello? Hi. Are you? Filming.
What are you filming for? Anything exciting?
Not yet. Are you exciting?
I don't know, am I?
Could you identify?
Sorry?
Could you identify?
Identify what?
Yourself?
I don't need to, do I? Hello, you're right.
Do you not? I think you do when a member of the public asks you to identify. You should, really.
You can see my warrant number.
Okay. Is that how you would identify to a judge?
To a judge?
Yeah. Would you just do that, would you?
That's a bit different though, isn't it?
Well, why is it different? You serve the public, do you not?
You're not a judge, are you?
I'm certainly not a judge.
Well, there we go then, so I don't have to
I'm a member of the public though, and you serve the public.
If you ask me nicely what my name is...
What's your name, miss?
My name?
Yes.
My name's Ali.
Okay. Nice.
Alright?
Cool.
Okay, cool. So, what are you doing?
Making a video.
What are you making a video for?
Brighton Police Station video.
Brighton Police Station video.
I like the colourful cars. I don't think that...
One?
Yeah.
Not too bad, is it?
Yeah.
Do you have any ID on you at all?
No, why would I...
Well, just because you're taking a video of the police station and I'm not
Is that
wondering why.
Is that a problem?
It can be.
Why could it be?
Why?
Yeah. How can it be a problem? What can I possibly do?
Well, what do you think? This current day and age.
What current day and age?
Okay, can you just not film my face for a minute,
No, I
please?
will film your face.
No, I don't need to film my face.
Yeah, well, you
because
shouldn't move
as much as
towards...
you have a right of way as a member of the public,
Yeah.
I am also a member of the public.
Okay, I'm filming for public.
That's
You should know
absolutely
that I
fine,
can
but you don't need to film my face.
I will film your face.
No, don't film my face.
What are you going to do?
Do you have ID on
What are you
you?
going to do about it?
Okay, under Section 1 of the Police and Criminal Evidence Act, I require you
Section 1 of PACE?
Yeah.
That's a search.
The tone is playful until the first uniform steps in. She leads with suspicion, then leaps straight to an ID demand. The camera doesn't flinch. The auditor plants his feet in the public space and answers with questions that bite. What offense? What risk? What law? You can hear the confidence harden as he refuses to stop filming her face. Perfectly lawful, perfectly deliberate. Her current day and age line floats. Unanchored. He pulls it down and asks for specifics. This is the pivot from street chatter to legal theater. Stakes set, positions drawn. The audience feels the air tighten. First contact, first test, first crack in the official posture. And from this second onward, every word is evidence.
Power, actually.
It is a search power.
So what are you searching
Currently,
for?
well, at the moment...
So am I detained?
No, I haven't said you're detained.
Alright, why are you bringing up Section 1 of PACE? Let's get this right now, yeah? Let's not make any mistakes now, yeah?
Why are you videoing me?
Because I want to.
Because you want to.
So you were saying something about Section 1 of PACE. Let me hear that.
Okay, no, you carry on. You want to talk, obviously.
No, I want to hear you talk about
So, what questions do you have for us?
police code of practice. Let me hear about the PACE.
No, I don't want to.
Yeah, no, you were saying something about Section 1. No, let's hear about that. Let's hear about that. Yeah, I'm going to film your face.
What I'll do, I'll film my face.
Yeah, I will.
I'm going to go this way now, and I'm just going to go to the supervisor. Are you alright just monitoring?
Yeah.
Monitoring what?
So you don't come in the police station?
I know, you've got signage, so I won't come in. It's fine. There's signage there, so there's no implied right of access.
If someone's filming for security reasons, we have to come.
Don't be a bully like her, please.
I'm not being
I know,
bully.
but you should. I know, you absolutely. I know you're not. I'm just saying. Okay, how am I breaching your security? You see how she tried to apply a bit of pressure, and when I wasn't having it, she backpedaled quickly. So that's a sign of a bully. Do you understand? You know what a bully will pick on someone until they kind of fight back, and then they won't. So I'm not implying that you are. I'm just saying, learn from that and make sure you don't never act like that with a member of the public.
Yeah.
Do you understand?
Yes.
You understand? Good.
Yeah.
Would you mind identifying yourself?
Yes, my name's Alicia, and my shoulder number's there.
Okay. Hello, Alicia. So these are the police fitness standards as well, by the way. So am I being detained or anything?
What do you mean police fitness standards?
I'm just assessing standards.
I think you're just here to cause trouble.
Okay.
So literally, why else would you got better things to do today than just
No.
film a police station?
No. So if I was to run away, do you reckon you could catch me?
I wouldn't chase you.
So am I being detained? Can I go? You don't want to answer questions, though. Alright. So I wasn't meaning to be rude. I just thought that there would be, you know, higher sort of fitness requirement. Look at the state of these, like.
The escalation is immediate. She reaches for authority and grabs the wrong lever. Section 1 of PACE. The auditor hears it, locks on, and demands the details she doesn't have. Watch the shift in her posture. The certainty drains as he presses for the statute's purpose and scope. Bully isn't just an insult, it's a narrative frame, and he uses it to show how pressure collapses when challenged on the law. Another officer hovers, more cautious now, sensing the ground is unsteady. The audience can feel the momentum swing. The uniform status symbols don't help if the statute is misused. This is where viewers learn the rule of the arena. Confidence without knowledge breaks on contact.
Should I mess with them a little more? What do you think? Should I mess with them? I want to mess with them a bit. I don't like the way she come up to me.
Can you just stand back of the boundary, please? You're not on a public right away there. You're in the police station. You can get arrested for trespass.
Are you sure? What offence is that?
Go back to.
What offence is trespass?
Go back on.
Don't
Go
touch
back
me,
on
don't
then.
touch me.
I'm
don't
allowed
touch
to
me.
touch you to remove you from property.
Trespass is not an offence. You can't.
Film as much as you like, but you don't come over that boundary there, because then you're in the police station. You
why
can be
does it- why does it
arrested for
matter if I'm- why
trespass.
does-
No.
trespass
I'm
is
gonna
a
just
civil
move you
matter.
back. That's the pavement.
Can you not touch me?
Well, don't
So are we
touch
going to
me,
argue
don't
over this?
touch.
Are we going to argue over this little piece of
No,
tarmac?
I'm going now. You stay on the pavement and you're absolutely fine.
You can't arrest me for trespass. Yeah, you're dismissed. Go away, weirdo.
I need to arrest you because you're not doing
Yeah, what was that about section 1 of PACE? Yeah, you bottled it. Yeah, you bottled it. You bottled it. You bottled it. Yeah, I will enjoy my video, and I'll come back on. I'll come back on your property as well.
Can you get back out of the police station, please?
What? I'm literally. What difference does it make if I'm stood there or here?
I'm going to say this to you once and
Right.
once only. This is a public domain, okay?
Yeah, I know.
This
it is.
wall-
and I can film your face in public
Yeah,
as
you
well.
can film my. Well, I'm not in public at the moment, though, am I? I'm in
I
the
can
police
film you
station.
there as well.
Right.
Anything I can see from public.
Right, so just talking over me, can you please listen?
I'm listening.
Okay. You can stand in the public
You
domain.
can't
which
arrest
is
me
on
for
this wall.
trespass either. You'll be sued if you do that.
Well, try
There's
and
what
see it,
offence?
that's
What
fine.
offence? What offence is
I'm saying
trespass?
to you, you cannot come into the police station, okay? This is the pavement, the public domain. You can stay there, that's absolutely fine.
Right, dismissed. Bye, weirdo.
We've got paperwork.
You're a weirdo, man. Go away.
We've got better stuff to do.
Yeah, you don't though. You don't. Your supervisor gave you advice and now you backpedaled. What's going on? Can you have a word with that lady, please?
What's going on?
Can you identify?
Yeah. So what happened? I mean, I just walked by, so
She.
A second tack, trespass. It sounds heavy until he slices it cleanly as a civil matter. They try to corral him to the paper boundary. He refuses the premise and keeps them on the law. His dismissal, "You're dismissed by weirdo," lands like a gavel. Not polite, but strategically final. The key beat isn't the taunt, it's the power reversal. They arrive to control a camera. Now, they're the subject, contained by it, defined by it. The tension spikes, then fractures. Authority retreats in plain view. The audience realizes the camera isn't just recording the encounter, it's shaping it.
She tried to say that I couldn't film. She tried to put her hands on me. Okay. She tried to threaten me with section 1 of PACE. Okay. She tried to tell me that I could be arrested for trespassing. Okay. As you know, trespass is a civil matter. So lots of mistakes, lots of things that probably could have been handled a lot better.
Could I just go back? I mean, what is the reason why?
I'm just filming.
For what? Like, are you a blogger or?
It doesn't matter. I don't need to have a reason, to be fair.
Okay. So
But we're not going to be petty over whether I'm standing here or here, are we?
Obviously, obviously.
Can I see your designation card quickly? Yeah, I'm listening.
Our police officer
Yeah.
colleague just asked you to step over there.
Yeah, I know.
It's not a lot to ask. I appreciate.
Yeah, and it's not.
You
I'm
can
yeah.
film, you're welcome
But
to film.
look. What's the difference if I stand there or there? What can I possibly achieve from here? You're just exercising jurisdiction unnecessarily.
I mean, what is the reason? I mean, are you a blogger? That's what I was.
Can I see your designation card before I engage with you?
My designation is PC.
No, you have a designation card which shows me what powers you have.
Yeah.
No, designation card because you're a PCSO.
We don't carry.
Oh, you should really carry it.
We have it, everything in our.
It's not a requirement for us to carry it.
Is it not?
It's all on our police.
You sure it's not? You sure it's not a requirement for you to carry it?
But why?
And produce it.
If you want to look at our powers, you can go onto something.
No, don't worry. I'm well aware of your powers. I'm just seeing if you're going to follow your policy or not.
I mean, like.
We're going to leave now. Okay, you can continue filming.
Yeah, thanks. I will
But
continue.
If you come any further into the police station, obviously our police colleagues have to.
Have to and do what?
It's not about doing. It's about also having a mutual.
We shift from confrontation to audit mode. The PCSO is asked for a designation card. Policy, not bravado. We don't carry them, exposes a second seam: procedure versus practice. The auditor keeps it clinical, almost bored, which stings more than outrage. This isn't a rant, it's an inspection, and the findings aren't flattering. The value for viewers is practical: how to pivot from heat to documentation, from argument to evidence. Each unanswered requirement adds weight to the earlier misquote of pace. The suspense is quieter here, but it's cumulative.
Like obviously they have explained
What mutual respect? I'm not doing anything illegal, am I?
I mean, I asked you politely, like, why are you filming?
Because I want to. I don't need to have a reason.
Just for my curiosity, I mean, what are you a blogger or what is
Doesn't
your
matter why.
expecting?
It doesn't matter. Simple as that.
Okay, that's fine.
Doesn't matter. You see, like,
You shouldn't wear that. You're defacing the British flag by wearing that. That's a gang sign. You shouldn't really be wearing that.
Okay, right. We'll go now.
Yeah, have you learned something
Okay,
today?
so we're
You've
gonna
learned a few
draw.
things today, yeah?
okay. All right, we're going to draw.
And it's a requirement for you to carry your designation
Yeah,
card.
we have it in our pocket notebook, so we
It's all
have
in
every.
there.
Yeah.
All right, let me see it.
Yeah, it's not about you.
So remember,
seeing
the
it,
public's
you know.
asking for it right
Yeah.
now. I'm requiring
Yeah,
you
I
to
mean,
show me your
if you
designation
go
card.
online, you will be able to see it. But
I'm not online now, am I? I'm asking
yeah,
you.
But what I'm saying is, my colleague has explained to you, if you don't step into this private property, you are more than welcome to film on the road, whatever you're doing. I think there is another gentleman who is skateboarding. They are happily doing that. But if you wanted to film in that, that's fine enough. Okay. All right.
Well, we'll see you later.
See you
okay?
later. Bye.
Thank you.
He turns the critique into a short seminar. Carry proper ID. Know your powers. Watch the symbolism you wear. It's sharp, slightly mocking, and unmistakably didactic. The officers don't push back, they absorb. For the audience, the lesson is simple. Clarity wins. No dramatic shove, no handcuffs, just the slow grind of certainty over bluster. And by the end of this minute, the tone of the whole encounter has flipped from scrutiny of a filmer to scrutiny by a filmer.
That woman was a definite tyrant, guys. That first one, definite tyrant. Talking about section 1 of PACE and da-da-da. She said, under section 1 of PACE, I'm requiring you to identify yourself. I'm like, what are you talking about, bro? Section 1 of PACE. Section 1 of PACE is a stop and search power. This woman's clueless. Clueless. So, I mean, I hope she could have taken something away from this, learned something. Anyway, I'm cut the recording. If nothing else happens, I'll wrap it up. I mean, not really. Basically, one of your colleagues, I was filming. Naturally, she asked me to stop filming. Then she tried to require my ID under section 1 of PACE, and then backpedaled. So I don't think that was good practice. As we're aware, PACE is a stop and search power, right? So I don't know if she was trying to flex or I don't know what she was doing, but
Now the debrief, hot and honest. He names the error precisely. Section 1 PACE is stop and search, not an ID demand for filming. He labels the behavior, tyrant, and ties it to the mistake, not the badge. This is where audience trust cements. He isn't hiding behind slogans. He cites the mechanism and the misuse. The rant has rhythm, the facts have teeth, and the camera keeps rolling like a metronome of accountability. The suspense here isn't what happens next. It's what will they say now that the clip exists.
No, you don't have to.
what's your name? Would you mind identifying?
Yeah, of course, I can tell you.
You're very friendly, thanks.
No, that's fine. My name's PC Fraser.
Okay.
But I think if you want to find out about the police and you want to find out about things, if you walk up this hill here and round to the front office, then they'll be able to help you.
To be fair, PC, I'm more interested in exercising my right to film from a public place and not being interfered with. That's more of the point. You know.
You're fine. It's obviously, if you film in the rear of the police station,
Yes.
there is security concerns. with regards to
Okay.
things
Is this
like
not a secure building?
that. Say again?
Is this not a secure building?
It's a police station.
Okay.
Yeah, it's very secure.
You've got the appropriate signage on there. I understand I don't have an implied right of access, so I'm sticking to the public boundary. Yeah.
Be prepared that you're going to have a lot of officers who want to know what you're up to.
Would you circulate it so I won't?
I can't do that. The police officers have curiosity if someone's filming the rear of a police
Why?
station.
This is a lawful activity. I wouldn't really expect this to pique anyone's
Oh,
interest.
We're not going to find out with you. All it
Alright.
says, be aware of what the police says.
Yeah.
Okay. You know, actually, if this is a police vehicle, you
Yeah.
know, if it's a police vehicle, you can see us on the street, you can see us coming out of the station.
Yeah.
Okay. But this is the limit for
Yes.
obvious reasons.
Yeah, so I'm aware of the signage. I can read the signage.
Okay. And if you want to find out more about the police, then obviously go round to the front office and talk to them.
I'm
But-
finding out a lot as we speak. Just
that's
by virtue of me
absolutely
filming,
fine. Okay.
I'm learning a lot.
But we will ask you because that's our job.
And you're welcome. You're welcome.
Okay, do you want to give me your name?
No, I'm not going to give no names.
Okay.
No.
Alright, well, okay. You might have a busy afternoon with officers speaking.
I hope not.
And just please be mindful, this is a working police station.
Yes.
When officers get responsive to emergencies, they will be able to come out here. They'll have their lights on, you'll see them. But obviously this isn't the greatest place to be
Yeah.
standing with the cars coming in and out.
Yeah. Don't worry. I'm not going to stand in the way of moving traffic.
No,
Don't worry
I
about it.
appreciate that, but as I say, I don't really care if you want to film. Police officers get filmed every day. It might be better just over there. You're going to get
All
the
right.
same
Well,
amount,
thanks for your
you're gonna get the
suggestion,
same
but
amount, you're going to get the same amount of coverage.
all right.
You'll be
and
safer.
you'll be safer.
All right. Thanks for looking out for my safety. I'll be able to look after it. Thanks.
A different officer, a different temperature. Polite, measured, risk-aware. He acknowledges the public boundary and suggests safer angles. The auditor holds the principle. Lawful filming from public view, period. They talk through security without inventing offenses. They part without theatrics. For viewers, this final act matters. It shows the template for a clean ending. Rights stated, safety noted, no surrender, no escalation. The narrative arc closes not with victory laps, but with a working standard. And as he steps away, the story that began as an attempted clampdown ends as a case study in restraint, clarity, and the quiet power